In the last video, I mentioned that social media planning needs to be tabulated. We set it for weekly and monthly. In this video, we are going to check out the tools for that. The simplest way to do is to use an Excel sheet. In this session, we are going to use Google Sheet. And we're going to pick up a template. I found that the template created by Gracia Kleijnen in a blog called Google Sheet Geeks provide us a value for this exercise. I'm providing a link to her web if you want to explore more. Now, let's look at the template. The template is easy to understand and you can immediately use it upon downloading it to your PC. Here, I'm placing some entries for the topic that I intend to share on weekly basis and on monthly basis. In this exercise, I'll just place the topic idea first, just to make sure I don't lose the idea. We will arrange it to schedule it later.